There they go. Maximum exposure. Friendly Venture moving up to take the lead. Hadjo comes next. Golden Rage on the outside. Robin Good by the rail. Master's Degree and Royal Scepter. Past the last 600. Friendly Venture followed by Hadjo on the outside. Then racing in third, Golden Rage, Robin Good moving up to take fourth. Royal Scepter pass approaching on the outside. Maximum Exposure and Master's Degree as the action swings for home. Friendly Venture, Hadjok is in second on the outside. Robin Good is by the rail, Golden Rage and Royal Scepter with 100 to go. Friendly Venture, Royal Scepter moving up on the outside, but Friendly Venture winning this race. Royal Scepter, Robin Good, Golden Rage, and Master's Degree for your Pentapecta.
Okay, cross